Hi, I'm Kelly from Cherry White Chemmart, Cheltenham, and today I'd like to talk about whooping cough. Like flu, whooping cough can spread quickly and is actually still common in Australia. We often think about whooping cough being an issue in babies and young children, but the elderly can also be at risk. A booster is required every 10 years and for women at each pregnancy. Pharmacists in Victoria are able to vaccinate for whooping cough in those aged 15 years and over, and we also have access to the government-funded stock for pregnant women and their partners. If you have any questions about eligibility or when your whooping cough booster may be due, please don't hesitate to call the store on 9583 2352.